Once you proceed to file, there will be a warning message whether this application is going to be submitted through DSC or EVC. As I mentioned while starting my webinar that for the companies and LLPs, the DSC is only applicable, and for other than companies, LLPs or limited foreign companies, all the applicants can file their application through EVC. So depending on your constitution of business, you can submit your application. Once it is submitted, here in this case, the application is being submitted through EVC. Once it is submitted, validate OTP button will come and your provisional acknowledgement will be generated by the system, which can be downloaded by you. It is downloadable form, and you can download it, and the application will flow to the dashboard of the appellate authority, and all the details will be available to them. Now I am going to show you that how you are going to visualize your how you are going to see your application, what you have filed before the appellate authority. So here you can view the application and check the status after submission. That status is appeal submitted. The navigation for this is you have to go to your dashboard after login, services, user services, and in user services you have to click on the my application part. While going to the my application part, you have to select the application type. Here in this case, since you have filed the appeal before the appellate authority, you will select the appeal to the appellate authority. The search you can do that from entering the dates, from date to date. In that case, while entering the dates, all the applications which are pending before the appellate authority or you have filed the appeal application will be shown to you with the ARN or reference ID. Once it is here, you can see that ARN number is hyperlinked. So on clicking on this ARN, you will be able to see that where this application is being landed. So here you can see that it will show you the appeal to the appellate authority, appeal 01 and the document 01. Status with the status that appeal is submitted. And on clicking on that, you can see your appeal application form, which contains all the details like your GST, your legal name, your address, your order number, and designation and address of the officer who has passed the appeal, who has passed the order, the demand ID number, date on which this order is being communicated to you, and on which category you have filed the appeal. In this case, I have selected that misclassification of any goods or services or both. In that category, one appeal is being filed. In that case, in here you can see that the brief issues, for the brief issues and the description and clarification in support of your argument, there is a message that refer to annexer. So you have to, annexer is being appended with this application. You can click on that and your appended annexer will open. Amount in dispute is being shown here with the all details. Some columns are not relevant here. For the market value of the seized good, it is related to the enforcement cases, and whether the applicant wishes to appear in person, statement of facts, grounds of appeal. These are all annexers, part of the form, notified form. So you can go through it. Now, there are details of pre-deposit with your signature and the details of the person by whom this application is being submitted.